Chief Secretary Carrie Lam officiated at the launch of a pilot scheme for on-site preschool rehabilitation services at the central government offices. Mrs. Lam introduced the scheme to more than 500 attendees, including representatives from 16 NGOs who run the scheme, as well as principals and teachers of participating kindergartens and child care centers, parents of children with special needs, and members of parents' groups. Secretary for Labor and Welfare Matthew Chung, Secretary for Food and Health Dr. Ko Wing Man, and Secretary for Education Eddie Ung also attended. Speaking at the event, Mrs. Lam said that early identification, timely intervention has all along been the government's policy direction in providing services and support for children with special needs. The Social Welfare Department is offering more than 6,800 preschool rehabilitation service places, and the average waiting time for subvented preschool rehab services in 2014-15 ranges from 13 to more than 19 months. Up to October this year, about 6,000 children were waitlisted for subvented preschool rehab services. Mrs. Lam said the pilot scheme, in terms of its scale and format, is unprecedented in the social welfare sector, as a total of 16 social welfare organizations have joined. The Lotteries Fund has allocated more than $420 million to provide 2,900 training places, covering almost half of the kindergartens and child care centers. This means 2,900 children on the waiting list can immediately receive the services they need. Under the scheme, the NGOs will offer on-site rehab services and training to children with special needs, supplemented by training at centers with rehab facilities.